Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cornbread pudding using Jiffy mix. This recipe is incredibly simple and yields a wonderfully moist and flavorful dish perfect for any meal. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix, 1 15-ounce can of creamed corn, 1 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get to mixing. In a spacious bowl, combine your Jiffy cornbread mix with both the creamed corn and the well-drained whole kernel corn. Next, gently whisk in the 2 large eggs, the 1/2 cup of milk, and the 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix until everything is just combined. Remember, it's important not to overmix the batter. A few small lumps are actually desirable for a perfect pudding consistency. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish, ensuring it's evenly spread. Place it into your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is beautifully golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This indicates a perfectly cooked, moist pudding. Once your cornbread pudding is out of the oven, resist the urge to dig in immediately. Let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the pudding to set up beautifully, ensuring perfect scoops every time. It's wonderful served warm as a hearty side dish alongside your favorite meats, or even as a comforting light meal on its own. Enjoy this simple, delicious, and satisfying homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.